In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to find even or odd number in Python programming. Okay, so let's go ahead and say num is equal to input because we are going to accept input from the user. And that's going to be an integer value. So int input, and we are going to say please insert a number. Please insert a number. Okay, where you give us a number, what else do? We use an if statement and say if num is equivalent. Wow, I'm too fast. If num divided by 2 is equivalent to 0. So that is num modulus 2 and not num divided by 2. So any number divided by 2 which the remainder is equivalent to 0 is an even number. That is, it is divisible by 2. But any number that has a remainder that is not equal to 0 is not divisible by 2. Therefore, it is not an even number. And let's go ahead and use print to check that out. So print, and we're going to say num is not is an even number. So the number you gave to me is an even number. So let's go ahead, please, else print num is not an even number. Num is not an even number. Let's go ahead and run this code. I'll bring this up and go ahead and run this. Please insert a number. And I'm going to say 7, enter. 7 is not an even number. 7 is not an even number. Run this and say please insert a number. Please insert a number, and I'm going to say 8 and hit enter. 8 is an even number, you see that? So that is okay, but I'm going to give you one assignment before you end this because I have taught this in the previous lectures. Go ahead and check it out before I give that. And that assignment is write a condition where the user cannot close this, go out of loop until he finds an even number. Do you understand? So a user must find an even number before he or she goes out of a loop. So go ahead and just do that as an example or as an assignment so that you can be able to strengthen yourself in Python programming. And if you just get that, please put it down and we are going to see that. You can use the question and answer sections and to display that for people so that I can able to mark that as helpful and other people can be able to check it out and know you are really trying to share knowledge with other developers in Python. So I believe you understood me. Go ahead and use a break statement to do that. I believe I've taught you somewhere if you get a name equal to quit, that is when it will quit. So if something is equivalent to even number or divisible by 2, that is when this system will close and stop you. Alright, so go ahead and check it out. If you have any question on this video lecture, please use the question and answer section and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.